Now let's talk about nested list, or if you like, multi-list. You see, you can give a particular list item, and then within the list items too, there are sub lists. Let's try it, and let me do another heading, nested list. I've typed some. Let me see. Now for instance, you've been asked to give an unordered list of some computer devices, or some peripherals, and then when you are giving those examples, give 4 examples of input devices. So you are listing some 3 definitions to list some devices, so processing devices, input devices, and output devices. But when you get to the input devices, give 4 examples of input devices as well. How do you represent it? First of all, it should all come under unordered list, because you are asked to do unordered list. So that's the first. Secondly, you are supposed to also name 3. So this is the first list under the main unordered list. This is the second item. This is the opening tag, and this is the closing tag. Opening tag, closing tag, and then opening tag here. You're also supposed to give a third one, opening tag and then closing tag, and then you close the main ordered list here. The next thing you're supposed to do, is to come to the input devices and create another unordered list within the unordered list. So you are creating a sub list from the main list item. So you create another unordered list here, and you bring another list item. Each of them you indicate one example, each of them one. That means that you're also going to get another bullet, but this bullet should be different from the main bullet points. So let's check it out. Let me save. Let me save it properly. I was trying to close it, so it's saved. Now after refreshing, see what we are going to get. You're going to get nested or multi-list, processing devices, input devices, and an input devices. You're going to get 4 other unordered lists inside my unordered list of what? Input device and output devices. So this is what we call nested list or multi-list, creating sub lists from the main list. Let me try one more. Let me try and create an ordered list in the unordered list. So let me just try and make this one an ordered list. Sorry, let's make this one ordered. This place should also, let me save and see what is going to happen after refreshing. That means that I have what? Created an ordered list in an unordered list, which is the main thing. The main work is what? An ordered list, and then inside the unordered list item, input devices, I create ordered list of what? 4 input devices in order of, let's say, priority to me. I hope you are getting it. So you can create multiple lists or nested list, a list within a list, and a list within the list, and a list within the list. Okay, it can also be done.